Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got this in for repair via the mail, so I'm going to do a video analysis here. And of course, it was written in the notes that the drawband broke, or drawstring, so it is broke. There it is. I dug it out of just to see, and it's broken. It's brittle. Probably if I pulled it, it would break again. So we're going to replace that. The feet here, rubber. Of course, the rubber is shot. There's no rubber there. This just moves around freely on every corner, including the back ones here are non-existent. They're just running on nothing back here. There's complete. So that can be dealt with or not. While we're looking back here, the feed rollers are pretty flattened. So if you look at this roller, it sometimes doesn't turn. It's got a flat spot on it. It's not turning right now. There it goes. There's a flat spot. So it comes around to that spot occasionally and doesn't turn. Right there, it's not turning. So it's causing the paper to not feed all the time. It's pretty common on Remingtons, but I guess that can be if they want to deal with the paper not feeding. And the front ones are not turning either. So this roller, oops, let me get my camera in here, right here. So the front ones here, right there, they're not turning at all. Turn the roller and it's got such a severe flat spot that it's just staying right in the same spot. And when I hit the paper release, I can probably twist that around and see the flat spot. But so it's not turning at all. And so that's probably got to be dealt with possibly. And then besides that, it's just a little dirty. Not overly dirty, but Type's faces, of course, are clogged pretty good. That can all be cleaned up, of course. So that's about it. Drawband, feed rollers, rubber parts that are 80 years old or 90 years old can definitely need replacing. I've got some of these grommets and stuff, but it just takes a little time to get those fixed up. And that's it. Pretty sharp looking machine. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.